That's the hustle. Did y'all know that's the hustle? You make enough money to pay everybody so you don't do shit, but be as happy as you can be. I want to be happy.
What's up, y'all? So today I'm back with another video. This time I'm just gonna show y'all exactly how I fill my brows in, just do my whole little makeover look. I'm not a makeup artist. Okay, I know how to make myself look good, that's it. But I wanted y'all to join me today. So let's start with my brows. I'm gonna show y'all the products that I use is always affordable. The only thing I don't buy from the hair supply store is my foundation. I use ESTEE LAUDER. I actually started using this the day that I got married. My cousin put me onto it, and when I say ESTEE LAUDER have your face looking so good and so smooth, so y'all should definitely try that. I got mine from Macy's inside of the ESTEE LAUDER little thing or whatever. But for my eyebrows, my mom put me onto this. So I get all my ideas from family, friends, whatever. But this, I think y'all can see it. I hope y'all can see it. It's called Go Brows 3-in-1 Master, and it's by RX by Kiss. I'm gonna put it in the description so y'all can see it, because I know y'all probably can't see it right now, but I'm using warm dark brown. I tried this on yesterday, and I went and bought it yesterday. It looks amazing. So I'm gonna show y'all, and y'all tell me what y'all think about it. But it comes with the brow pencil, and then it comes with the stick on the end and the concealer. But I don't use this concealer because it's too light, so I just use my own. And of course I use Pro Conceal. Works for me. This color is, this is the LA Girl Fawn. I use that, works for me. So my eyebrows has not been arched, so they're probably not gonna do exactly what I want them to do, but it'll get the job done today. So I just start with my top brow. And I bring it all the way to the end. And then do the same thing for the bottom. I think that's about right. Yeah. And then do the same thing for this side. This side is always easier for me, always. My eyelashes are so long, as y'all can see. I think this one, this eyebrow, for some reason, is always thinner, and I hate that, because I do not like my eyebrows thin. Always thinner all the time. I like them to be slightly thick, but not, bulky. But she messed me up years ago, and it just never really grew back how I wanted it to. Whatever. So as y'all can see, this one always looks thinner to me. So I'm gonna fix this one and make this one to match that one, because they gotta be perfect. I'm sorry. And then I just fill it in slightly, not a lot. Okay, that looks better. Yeah, see, it looks better. You can tell already, but hold on, y'all. So just fill this side in too. Fill it in, fill it in, fill it in. This is just a base, this is what I call a basic beat, okay? It's fast. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, so I do not do all that contouring and not like, no. But I do want to show y'all that y'all can still look real sexy, real cute without doing all that. Okay, I just want to make sure y'all can see me. I gotta see myself too. And just go right up under your eye. Okay, what was I thinking? I don't know, but my phone wasn't on Do Not Disturb. I forgot, so I'm back. But just follow where you did it at, and you should be good to go. And then typically what I do is I just grab me like a small little brush, just a small brush, and I kind of like pull it down. Telling y'all this is like a 15-minute, 10-15-minute beat. And do the same thing for this side. This lash, these lashes on this side seem like they're so much longer. So I think my brows look okay. For the most part. Yeah, I think they look okay for the most part. I'm gonna still even them out a little bit with the end. Okay, and then I still put my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I still put it up under my eyes or wherever I feel like there's like darker spots. I just put it right up under my eyes. And I do it right here, and down my nose. That's it. That's it. Now, I mean, typically I would use either one. It just depends. I would use this one. And then I'll just get my beauty blender, blend it in. And just like lightly pat it in. You don't have to, you know, like smush it in, just dab it in. Then again, like I said, I use ESTEE Lauder. I know my face looking so white right now. Y'all probably like, girl, what are you doing? But once it's settled in, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. Like I said, I do not use a lot of makeup. I'm not a makeup artist. Sometimes I think they be putting a little too much makeup on my face. But it looks good, but it be so much. And you gotta, with ESTEE Lauder, you gotta like rub it in immediately because it sticks. Okay. So now that I've applied the foundation, literally, this is gonna sit and like, watch, it's gonna sit in. Get all this stuff off my hands. Now what I'll typically do is like put some mascara on my eyelashes, but I don't really need it. I got these individuals done yesterday and they're pretty thick for the most part, so. This is called Glide and Glam eyeliner. I'll put this in the description too so y'all can see it. I typically like to put that on the top because it's not liquid. Put that on the bottom. As y'all can see, my makeup is kind of sitting right now. So by the time it's time for me to put my powder, my pressed powder on, line my lips up, be good to go. Line my lips up, y'all. This is from, where did I get this from? I think I got this from Sally's, if I'm not mistaken. I forgot where I got this one from, but I know I definitely got this True Matte at my local beauty supply store. This color is Santa Fe. So I just apply a little bit of this in my top lip area or bottom lip area. And I just go right ahead on about my day. I'm about to go put my wig down with some bowl hold because it has not been down. Y'all make sure y'all go check out my hair collection. This is the loose deep wave. I just put some wand curls in it. And I colored it like a brownish looking color. I done got distracted. But anyways, I use the LA Girl Pro setting to set my face. Out like a light. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put it in my description, and I will see y'all next